Hey Forex Militia, this is Parsival coming to you from the Forex Factory calendar, and this is for the week of the 22nd to the 27th, and this is my weekly outlook. Alright, so what we have going on here is we have the GBP, we have the German Flash. On Tuesday, we have something big happening on Tuesday too. Later in the day, the Kiwi is raising its rates from 1.5 to 2. Earlier on, I thought that was a reduction, but they're raising it. Alright, and then we have the FOMC minutes on Wednesday, and then on Thursday, preliminary GDP, and on Friday, core personal consumer expenditure price index. Okay, so that's Monday through Friday, what's basically going on, just basically the red news, and let's get on to the charts. Let's see what we can see. Starting with the dollar. Okay, the dollar has been recently very, very bullish. There was just a small pullback back into this support line, and I am still, and the COT report basically has this going bullish. On the Dow Jones, basically it's falling, and it's going to continue to fall, most likely down to the 200, or down to the S1, the median between S1 and S2. It basically just went into an oversold area on my stochastic and on my trader dynamic index, so that's showing some exhaustion, possibly some exhaustion right there, but the market can continue to just be short as long as it wants. But that's a note. Just note that it went into the oversold zone. On gold, on the COT report has this short, and they're actually adding to their shorts, so it should continue to go short. Okay, excuse me. This basically is gold, and gold basically is long, but they're selling their shorts and buying shorts. So it's looking very much like it broke out of this trend line here, and it's a retest back into this line and this trend line, and most likely it's going to continue to go lower. So that means that the dollar most likely will continue to rally long. Bitcoin. This is going short. This is going to continue to stay short. On the COT, it's neutral. So I am going to say short to neutral. I think it's going to continue to fall because the dollar will continue to rally. On oil, they are on the COT, they are long. This is actually, I'm going to continue to press that this is actually long. That oil is probably going to go all the way up to 140. On the loonie is short. They're shorting the loonie, and since the dollar is basically bullish, that this currency should actually go up. All right, this is pretty much, I would believe, just a retest, and then boom, it'll continue higher. On the euro, the same thing. As you say, this is a retest. This basically just retested this monthly support resistance line, which is resistance now, and this is basically neutral with long buys. So even though they're buying into it long, on the dollar is basically stronger. So we can look for this to continue to be short. The same thing on the pound. The pound basically just rallied up into this area up here, this monthly resistance, and this what I call a fair balance area. So it's basically going to continue to fall because on the COT report, the pound is heavily short. And so with that, I'm going to go over to the Trademiner Picks of the Week. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel to get more of this content. And let's get over to Trademiner. Okay, here we are on Trademiner Forex, and we have the Euro Swissy from May 23rd to June 21st. This has 13 years on it, and it's an 85% win rate. Alright, and the stock of the week is basically Trademiner stocks. This is McDonald's, bullish, alright. I don't know if I said it, bearish Euro Swissy, right? Okay, bullish McDonald's, and this is 6 years with a 83.3, right? Okay, so let's go to the charts and take a look and see what the setups actually look like. All right, on the Swissy, let's open this up a little bit. There we go. Okay, so we have a definite bearish signal for this to basically go short into the next month. I don't know how far to basically go, but looking at my setup, basically from here, let me mark this off. From here, that's the wrong one. There we go. Pretty funny. From here to about, I believe, here. That's going to be the gist of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, a little bit further, about there. So that's my target for basically. Actually, it's actually wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there we go. That's right. All right, so that's basically the furthest target. Target 1 is more like right here. Target 2 is up here. All right. Let's go over to the stock, and it's McDonald's, and it's been falling, and it has it as a bullish because I believe the last couple of years have been very, very bullish. So we are going to look and see if we can get a pop on this going up within this market cycle. Alright, so that would mean that I don't see any real setup here. It's just a blind, mostly a blind trade, because the overall trend on McDonald's is down. So we're gonna take the blind trade and basically see if we can get any type of gain out of that also. We're gonna go with the statistics. Okay, so here we are. Let's go to the review. The review has it. We were down. Well, we were down probably around 70. We're a bit higher this week. Hopefully, I can get up into the 100,000. Make it back. We are basically looking at 5 trades, and I took a couple of trades off. Let's go to the account history. Let's see. All right, I took off a trade for CVX. Let's see, will that come up? Okay, it won't. All right, and we took off a trade for IBM and the pound, the euro pound. So that's basically it. P and G was that was a small loss, but there you go. Took about almost 3,800 from there. All right, and I believe that's about it. So we have I basically wanted to thank my subscribers, the ones that I do have, and I keep coming back, and like, comment, and subscribe. Just, you know, like and comment on this video. And knowledge is power. Be power hungry and power to the people. And this is Parsival, always telling you that the closest thing to the Holy Grail is following the smart money. Parsival, signing out.